Friends, Namaskar. I am Sri Simanchal Padi, researcher and writer of the books New System of Scientific Astroanalysis and Padi's Method of Map Erection, which are based on the newly introducing life-centered concept for astroanalysis, or you can say astrology. We have given number of video talks to introduce the concept with various explanations. Today, we are going to present a video talk on the life support concept referring to a horoscope, the death of late Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, Indian nation. Unless we explain, it is very astonishing fact to you all how the negative planets, transit planets, makes relation with 10th lagna, that is mid-heaven point and the ascendant of the birth horoscope during an accident, illness, death, any other negative things. Undoubtedly, we have gone through various horoscopes as a researcher, and we found the truth that negative planets takes the role during our bad period. Friends, please go through our explanation given going to present regarding the death horoscope of the person, and that makes a relationship with the birth chart, how we will find how the negative planet transits gives a result negative. Friends, as per the birth chart we have taken from the internet, birth date is 2nd October 1869, birth time 8:40 a.m., birthplace is Port Bandar, latitude and longitude 21.37 north and 69.49 east. Accordingly, we have taken the geocentric map of our Indian traditional method, where we shown here with this is the geocentric horoscope, what we follow in our Odisha pattern, traditional method. Aries, Taurus, etc. till pieces, 12 divisions of celestial circle. Please find out this in presentation. This geocentric position of the date and time has converted to the life center point concept, which we have utilized the concept method given in Padi's method of map erection and The erection of that lifeline map comes like this, of a birth chart of our late Mahatma Gandhi. Here is the ascendant. Here is the midheaven point. You see, when positive planet Pluto and Jupiter in sight of ascendant in 8 divisions of celestial circle zodiac and midheaven found with the Uranus positive planet, therefore the attitude of the horoscope of the person seems positive during birth. According to his done positive works, he got good name. This positive planet always shows richness in education, richness in knowledge, richness in writing, rich in property, whatever it may be, situation found there during this period. So, positive planets present in the birth chart during the birth, ascendant directing Jupiter and Pluto, and midheaven point with Uranus. Midheaven point is 62.9 degree and Uranus 8.9 degree. Life 7 point concept. We have derived in life 7 point concept. So, it has given a truth knowledge regarding the horoscope. Attitude is positive. We will find in other horoscope too, in coming talks. But during birth, the planet Neptune negative is only in sight to the ascendant. Venus, Mars, etc. are in 45-90 degree. Those are away from the ascendant 26 degree. That Mars is about 23 degree away. Venus is about 30-34 degree away from ascendant. So, at the time of birth, though there is just some few negative aspect with the person, but his attitude, all regarding the matter, found positive. Undoubtedly, a horoscope, when a human being or any living being take birth in the earth atmosphere, he must have the influence of positive and negative planets. Positive and negative planets' influence must be studied during analyzing of a horoscope and as well as the event. So, find out the life set point concept, map, and or chart you can say we have given in our presentation here with clearly shown in the blackboard or in the presentation we are explaining with it. Now, you see, one thing I have forgotten to explain you in the birth chart. Our life line comes at the time of birth, it's Virgo 16.9, directing towards Sun, and Pisces 16.9, directs toward Earth. So life center is like this. We have done 45 degree each, 8 sectors on the life center to life center. You must know it because we'll go during explanation how this chart is very important. Now, take the death position which was occurred 13th January 1948 at about time 45 p.m. at Delhi. Latitude and longitude is given here with 28, 48 north, 77, 38, 13. We have shown the geocentric map traditionally in our presentation. I told you already, this geocentric map based on the Orissa style, because I am a man from Orissa, habituated with this style. So, the planets transit found to be west-east direction, that is Mesha, Vrisha, Mithuna, Karkata, Sinya, Kamina, Tula, or Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, etc. 12 divisions. Please go through it. Friends, if that geocentric map converted to the life-centric map of that day, time, it comes like this. What is that? Now, the lifeline found Sun directing Capricorn 16.38 degree and Cancer 16 Earth position is found to be found in the 16.38 degree Cancer. So, this is the lifeline. Here, this is the lifeline in this map, but in this map, it is the lifeline. Accordingly, we have divided at mid-distance between the Sun and Earth to 8 divisions, 45 degrees each, and placed the transit planet position of that day and time as found in our geocentric map. We have utilized Paris method of map prediction, and this is our finding. Please go through the map, that day and time we have taken. What we found, now the portion was found that after shot, after bullet shot, the ascendant is here 177.07 degree towards east direction of the map. So west and east, all the maps are directing to west and east. So these are all moving like this. And midheaven found at the time of accident is 8.260 degree, that is 45 degree to 90 degree in this map. It is a lifeline. When we are given like this, ascendant and midheaven and found. It is a death chart. Now we'll see what are the planets mentioned by the universe in the death. Venus is a negative planet. Neptune is a negative planet. Moon is a connecting sub-planet. So at the time of death, Neptune, Venus, Moon are in a life, either inside or in the same house, or nearby the house, very close nearby the house. Ascendant, 177.07 degree means it is nearer, very nearer to the lifeline, where Mars is 155 and Saturn is 170. So very near to Saturn than Mars. It is event ascendant. It is event mid-heaven point. Here positive planets, what happen? What about positive planets? Now Uranus in sight of Jupiter. Very good, but the person killed at the time, shot bullet in the time, shot dead in the time, when Venus, Neptune are in line and ascend nearly to the Mars and Saturn. Here, Mercury is also a positive planet away from that action taken. Uranus, Mercury, Jupiter, where is Pluto? Pluto is negative planet. Pluto is a positive planet with negative, circled by the negative planet. So, reaching up his rays are obstructed by the Saturn and Mars. It is not. When Neptune is a very distant planet to Earth or Sun center. In our study, what presentation we have given in life settlement of map of death, that transit planets taken to the birth chart here, prepared for our research work. What we have observed here. Now birth ascendant, it is birth ascendant. Birth mid-heaven point, it is birth mid-heaven point. Transit Neptune is nearer to birth ascendant. In side of the birth ascendant. Mid-heaven point is due to transit Saturn and nearer to the Mars, negative planets. These Venus and Jupiter were influenced by the near orbit planet of the Earth, Venus, which is a negative planet. So, Jupiter, Uranus are obstructed by the Venus, negative planet. Find out the truth. How the negative planets comes in relation with our ascendant, birth ascendant and birth mid-heaven point. Here, one thing we found, you may ask us, when transit Neptune came at the age of 30-35 years to the candidate, why he was not gone to death? He faces some troubles. I agree. But at that time, the powerful moon planet, which is 142 degree, that was in this house. Pluto is a very slow planet. So, passing of all negative planets transit was obstructed by planet Pluto, and also you can say by Uranus. It is also a slow planet, it can be that here. So, though at that time the planet shown is negative, some negative results in the case of Mahatma Gandhi, or that 10 to 12 years or 15 years like that. But that was not made danger to the life. But this Neptune, combinations with the site of Venus and ascendant near to the Mars and Saturn, given a negative result like that. So friends, it is very difficult to explain because it is a very new concept, especially in astrology, research work. Please go through our explanation. What I found during this search. If your horoscope is true, the transit of group of negative planets, ascendant to 10th ascendant, a 10th, middle point of 10th ascendant, or inside may decide our longevity. It is found. So many cases. It is found. I'll come in coming presentation, such like a horoscope which you know, having a positive attitude and negative result. That is that. Please wait. Here it is to intimate you that those who are interested for the books Oriya and English, we have already given direction in YouTube description. Go to the description. Find out the website and click where you can freely download, freely read, freely study the matters, whatever we give you. It is all free because it is research work. All free. If you want to make communication with us for discussion, now you have to do the discussion through the email address given in our first photo. So use that email address so we can discuss you very clearly regarding your doubts. Thank you very much. Namaskar.